I just happen to have some right here. Bam! Couple squirts. Let's go see Taylor the hair. Somebody comment, why would you have glue? Who uses that? Ben, somehow the door broke to the warehouse. And it's one of these swinging types, right? What are we gonna do? Come on. Look, it broke the wood. That's gotta mount through there, like that one, and to mount back to the door frame. What are we to do? I know. Didn't we just get in a bunch of Big Jeff glue? I bet you we got a glue made for wood. Come on. Let's go see Taylor the hair. Taylor! We got an issue. The door broke and it has to deal with glue. But I don't know what kind of glue. Do we have a way to look up what kind of Big Jeff glue will work?
We do.
Hey, check that out. Where are we going?
We're going to car audio.
Yeah.
Installation supplies.
Okay.
Glues and settings.
Nice.
And we got this nice chart.
A whole chart? Get the out of here. Okay, what's best for wood?
So we've got a few things. There's some epoxies.
Yeah, I don't want to do epoxy. I just want to bond the glue.
Okay, so then we can do this MaxiCure here. So,
MaxiCure?
Yep. So
Ben,
you can click
we
on
need
this.
MaxiCure. Bam! I just happen to have some right here. Big Jeff Maxi. Let's go take care of this. Thanks, Taylor. Good thing we had the Big Jeff glue. I saw somebody comment, why would you have glue? Who uses that? Well, guys that do fiberglass, fix broken plastic, wood, metal, we have all types of stuff. So this stuff, MaxiCure, little half-ounce bottle is all we need. We don't even use all that. We gotta cut the tip. Where's all the tools? Oh, we got some here. Okay, so this stuff is supposedly really good with wood. Let's get it all up in there, real personal like. Why am I not using wood glue? Well, CA glue actually dries even harder. Okay, I got enough in there. Let me get a little something around the sides here. Okay, and this stuff says 10 to 25 seconds. Hopefully I put this back on right. Don't glue my fingers together.
That's not a problem.
Well, even if we glue I got stuff to unglue, right?
Yep, uncure.
Alright, so I'm gonna go around the bead here. And the glue is pretty inexpensive. Okay, so now, still got glue left over. I'm going to put the cap back on because this starts to react with air. You don't need a activator, it's just an accelerator. That would make it dry faster. But I already feel it getting sticky. Now, if I wanted to make this instant, I would go grab a can of activator, which we have some right here. Bam! Couple squirts, like that, and it's already hard. Hard as a rock. Look at that. Look at that. Now, that's how quick. Now, I could have let it just cure itself, but with the accelerator, and we have it in aerosol and regular and refill, it does the job and it doesn't stain anything. Some people like the aerosol. That right now is rock hard. That's the cool thing about CA glue. Check it out at bigjeffaudio.com. We got all your glues.